Welcome to my channel if you're new here, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. In today's amazing video, I'm going to show you how to make pilau in the most simplest way. And also I'll show you how to achieve the brown color without soy sauce. Next is our ingredients that you are going to need to make this beef pilau. I prefer sunrise for my pilau. The first step is to fry the potatoes until they turn golden brown. In the same pan or sufuria that I fried the potatoes, I'm going to cook the onions, and also the onions I'll fry them until they turn golden brown. This is how our onions look after a few minutes of cooking. As the onions are about to turn golden brown, I'm going to add in ginger and garlic paste and cook for about 1 minute. Continuously turn the mixture because we don't want them to burn. If it burns, it will give our pilau a bitter taste. Next step, after a minute, I'm going to add in the beef. Even the beef, you're going to cook it until it is brown. A few minutes later, this is how beef is looking like. But we haven't achieved that brown color yet, so let's cook it for a few more minutes and then we come back. Yay! We are almost there, guys. Our beef is almost browning. Just keep on turning everything together. Please don't get tired of turning, because remember, we're trying to achieve the best pilau. It is at this stage that I'm going to add in the tomato paste, and we're going to let it cook for around 3 more minutes. Do you see how that brown color is starting to pop? Yes, and we haven't used any soy sauce. Three minutes later, this is how our beef looks like. It is at this stage that I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of pilau masala. Mix everything together and let it cook for about 5 minutes on medium heat. After the pilau masala has cooked properly with the beef, next I'm going to add 2 cups of water to the beef because I have 1 cup of rice. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt and let the water simmer. It is at this stage that I'm also going to add my fried potatoes. Water is ready. I'm going to add in the rice. I'm using a fork to mix everything together. I don't want to break the rice. After mixing everything together, cook on low heat. A few minutes later, this is how our rice looks like. It still has water, so I'm just going to cover and let it cook some more. I have a tip for you. If at this stage your rice hasn't cooked well and the water is less, don't add more water. Just cover with a kifuniko, a lid, and put some heavy object like a heavy sufria on top and put on low heat, and it will cook just well. This tip has always worked for me with all my rice recipes. This is after the water has dried. I'm checking if the potatoes is well done. The rice is fluffy and everything looks good. Ooh la la, mamma mia! Pilau always tastes better with kachumbari. If you haven't watched my video of how I make kachumbari pilau, after this video, kindly go and watch it. And this is the simplest way to make your pilau. It is not complicated. It is super easy. Thank you for watching this far. Give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to share my video everywhere. Please leave a comment on how you make your pilau brown. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell if you haven't yet. Till the next one, be blessed.